Let's face it, hiring managers in the manufacturing industry have a tough job. They need to find skilled workers who can handle the tough jobs with crazy production schedules, all while following strict safety regulations. It's a lot to handle, but with the help of a staffing company, your team can get it done. Hi, I'm Cole with Accurate Personnel, and today we're going to talk about 4 ways that staffing companies can help your team conquer manufacturing challenges. Number 1, filling the skills gap. It's no secret that the manufacturing industry has a skills gap, but fear not. Staffing companies have large pools of talented workers with a wide variety of skills and experience levels. Number 2, managing sudden changes. Production schedules can change like the wind, but with temporary staffing solutions, you can rest easy knowing that you'll have the manpower you need when you need it. Need to scale up for peak season or adjust for unexpected absences? We've got you covered. Number 3, maintaining a safe workplace. With a good staffing company by your side, you can be confident that your team is fully trained and compliant with all local regulations. And number 4, establishing a strong workplace culture. Staffing companies can take the time to understand your company's unique culture and work to find candidates who are the perfect fit. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And when you're ready to make your next hire, head over to AccurateUSA.com for more information.